Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you can you stream Omegle on Twitch. Now, Omegle or Omegle has been a really popular way of Twitch streamers in previous years, and right now a lot of people want to know, can you stream Omegle on Twitch once again? So as you can see, if we go here, this is basically the answer to the question, right? Although you may be considering using Omegle to stream on Twitch in the RL section, it's important to know that Omegle is banned from being streamed on Twitch. The reason is because Omegle is considered a third-party chat site. Now, the main reason is because there are things that you don't have control over that are against the terms of services on Twitch, not Switch. For example, if someone decides to get naked on Omegle, there's nothing you can do to stop it from being streamed on your channel, right? So if you want to avoid getting banned, we recommend not streaming Omegle on Twitch. So here's your answer. Can you stream it or not? No, you can't stream it, unfortunately, because it's against all their terms of service, which is, unfortunate, but yeah, that's basically how it is. You cannot stream it, and definitely not in 2023 at least, or in the future years to come. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.